Hi guys, welcome to my mess of a workshop here, and gonna clean some parts. I have a cup brush chucked up in my little drill press here, and it's late in the afternoon. Kind of got a slow start today, so I'm gonna clean the base plate on the wire wheel, and you'll see how nice and shiny this comes up. Take a look at that. That didn't take too long. That was only about, I don't know, a minute and a half of work. And you know, for parts like these, an acid bath works well. But for other parts, and I'll show you, these headlight buckets had already been, these mounts here had already been taken apart from the bucket themselves, and this part fits here. So like with the ones that I restored a few months ago, I used 1/4 Allen head screws with a 1/4 lock nut on the inside. You'll never see that lock nut, and I don't have the capability to rivet things together. Let me find another headlight bucket down here. Yeah. So see, this is a common practice what is done. Now these headlight buckets were made by a company by the name of Guide. These two headlight buckets are for an international harvester, M5H6, and you can see that the actual pedestal has a slight curve to it, and then we can see the rivets here. And in this case, with a headlight bucket that's been riveted together, I would probably use some brush-on paint stripper and stay away from this area here, because the paint stripper will penetrate between the headlight bucket and this mount here, and then you're left with acid in there, and every time you get some moisture or rain, then the acid has a propensity to continue to eat away at the metal. And that's one of the another big problem with acid dipping an entire chassis. You really have to have the ability to submerge the whole chassis in a neutralizer. So I'm going to continue here with the rest of this mount and then wrap the video up. Okay, so I don't know who made these, but there's a little stamp right there. I don't know if my camera is focused enough on that, but I like this method for stripping paint. The zinc plate is still there, that's why it's so shiny. And the surface is rather rusted. No, not rusted, but coarse. So when I do spray primer on here, the primer will adhere a lot better. So, quick update on trying to cut my left arm off yesterday. I immediately stopped what I was doing and went in the house and washed my arm with soapy water, and then I put a antibacterial cream and put a band-aid on it, and my arm's a little bit sore, but it's pinched closed pretty good, so I'm on the mend. Anyway, so I'm going to continue working on this stuff, and hope you guys have a great night. Thanks for watching my video. Later.